Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful day. So, I stopped by this morning. As you see, I am watering everybody here this morning. But I wanted to talk to you all this morning. So, as I walk around and give everybody a little water, yeah, I want to talk to you about 5 mistakes that are made in the garden every year. But these are 5 mistakes I will not make this 2021 gardening season. So we're going to go through 5 of them and we'll talk about some later. All right. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Now, guys, these mistakes are not in any kind of order, all right? So, the first on my list is overcrowding. Overcrowding. Yeah, I find that sometimes we have too many plants in one small area. And at first, we don't see the problem when they are small seedlings to have them so close together. But then as they grow, the plants will begin to compete for water and nutrients from the soil. And that's where you'll have a problem, where you have more of the plants that are not getting healthy and big, and maybe one or two are really getting big. So overcrowding is that's a problem. So that's one thing we all need to work on. Just because they have 1,000 seeds in a pack don't mean you have to plant them all, right? Right. The second one is planting all your plants out at the same time. So I find that if you stagger your plants, succession planting, that's what it is, you will have a better harvest, and you will have vegetables all throughout the season. So stagger your plants and don't plant everything out at the same time. Space that thing out. Yeah. So number 3 is, I know some people don't appreciate flowers, but flowers do more than just look pretty, right? Flowers bring nature to your garden. Not only nature to your garden, but she also brings beneficial insects, which you need to have healthy, big vegetables. Yeah, we need them. Yeah. So we're going to give them something which is nectar and pollen, and they're going to give us something by pollinating our plants for us. So it's a win-win, win-win. All right. So the next one is to grow the variety of vegetables that grow well in your zone. Yeah, grow what grows well in your zone. You can find that vegetable that will grow well in your zone. Yeah. The next one is location. Location, just to make sure that if you are planting a plant that needs sun, that it is not in the shade. Plant that plant where she will get that sun she needs. Yeah. Next on my list is an insect. So if you see an insect in your garden, you should identify that insect. Yeah. Learn about that insect and its habits. Yeah. That's how you control what comes in your garden. And the next one is underwatering and overwatering. We will talk more about these on the live on Tuesday. super juice, y'all. It says super juice. You know, and I have some 511 in there. So we're gonna give everybody a little feed. Just a little feed. All right, so we're gonna take that off. So we don't need that. Where's this cup? Okay, wait. All right. So what I did a little different is I diluted the super juice. So if there's anyone out there who don't know what I call super juice, it's just I put, you know, all of my brassica leaves that was eaten or damaged, or the stems from when I cooked my greens, banana leaves, just all kind of vegetables that wasn't any good for me to consume. So I put it in water and let it stay. I'll show you what it looks like. So I had 3 like this, but the man who was cutting the fence down, he cut one of them. He stepped in it. All right. So I'm gonna give some to the peas. There you go, baby. There you go, baby. Give some to the nasturtiums, which I usually don't, but we don't give them some anyway. Just because. Give everybody a little bit. These greens over here. And the Katrina bricks. Everybody in there. And here. You could have some too. Yeah. All right, let me feed everybody. All right, guys, that's where we at. Everybody got a little juice. Everybody got a little juice. Oh boy. Everything looking nice. Very good, very good. All is well. Anyway, guys, it is, yeah, it's getting dark. It doesn't look like it, but it's my sky. I think the last time I checked my weather, it was like 71 degrees, and it is about, I don't know, about 5 in the evening, 5 something, yeah. But that's the way it's looking. Yeah. But I hope you all have a great day. I'm wore out now, y'all. I'm done. Yep. I got, look, all I could give, I done gave it. Yeah. But I thank you all so much for hanging out with me, just to spend a little time with me. Yeah, just to spend a little time. But I hope all is well. I hope you have a great night. Stay safe, y'all. Stay safe. But anyway, I will see you all in the next video. Later, y'all.